Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off chat requests on your Reddit. We will go to found this solution or know how we can do that. You just go up here and this is picture or this image. You will click here on app. Then this is window show for you like this, and you just click here on settings, and you come to settings window here, and this window here, and you just click here on account settings for you. Then you come to account settings here in this window, and you just click here on manage notifications. Then you come to notifications window, and you come here to chat requests. You will go to turn off this. You just click here on this is mark, and this is color. It's gone. That's main chat request. It's turned off now. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.